This is for my friend Dan over at Nice Junk. Go and check out his channel. Anyhow, we'll see how it goes. I remember Danny's hands balled up angrily in pain after scratching his knuckles on an aluminum frame. You could hear quite a story through his ragged, raspy breath. Years of scrap and cigars had near put that man to death. I remember Danny's hands as they gripped that hatchet tight and swung it down hard on a broken street light. You could hear a lot of swearing as the glass flew back at him, but I'll always remember the blood on Danny's hands. Danny's hands were gnarled and bent from all the scrapping. Danny's hands were sore as hell when he got home. Danny's hands were never supple, and I've come to understand there is always blood on Danny's hands. There you go, buddy.